How to create, edit, and delete shopping lists in Sainsbury. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to create, edit, and delete your shopping list on Sainsbury. So for that case, you have to first of all make sure that you're connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, go ahead and log in into your Sainsbury account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now while you're on this page, what you have to do is, in order to create a shopping list, you have to start adding product to your cart. So it's a very simple process to add product to your cart. You just need to go ahead and look for an item that you wish to buy or save it for later. Let's say that I'm going to just pick up a random product for the sake of this video and add it to my cart. When the product has been added, I'm going to add a list of products just like that. You could also use the search bar tool feature in order to locate or in order to find the product. Now it's time to go ahead and check out your cart. So click on the cart icon from the top right hand side corner. So the first step is completed, that is creating a shopping list. Now the next step is you could go ahead and edit. If you wish to go ahead and edit it, what you have to do is, whether you want the following product, maybe more than one or maybe more than two, then you could just go ahead and press on the plus item just like that, and likewise do the same procedure for all of these products. And if you wish to decrease it or decrease the quality, quantity, whatever, you just press on the minus button and go through the product details and all that. And so this is how you could go ahead and edit your shopping list. If you feel that the following product is not necessary and you don't want to add it to your cart and remove it, you just have to press the minus button when it reaches the one, and you just press on the minus button, then the following product will be removed from your shopping list. You could go ahead and create, edit, and delete your shopping list on the Sainsbury app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.